State asida thokliba irang asina maram oiraga lanjena duna Imphal East District ki oina relief camp ta leiriba internally displaced person IDP singda bicycle amadi fisha call yen thokrai relief camp singda leiriba sing athubada masagi yumda hanjin handuna mahushagi punsi marel da hanjin be yanaba laingak na hotnari haina Manipur gi Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh na phongthokrai Imphal East District Deputy Commissioner na senduna Porompa DC Office Complex laiba Panchayat Bhavan da pangthokhiba thauram amada Power Grid Corporation of India Limited ki CSR Initiative amadi National Handloom Development Program NHDP gi makhada district asigi tongan bar relief camp sing da lairiba mahairoi chani da bicycle amadi nupi chani marifutara tarukta fishakol khutsinake ngasigi thauram aduga mari lainana Manipur gi Chief Secretary na haikibada chahi ani rom state asida thokliba irang asina maram oiraga mioi kaya tongan bar relief camp singda lairiba singi awaba nungai taba chapchana khangjai relief camp singda IDP singna awaba kaya khangna thauna fana lairiba si ikai khumna bauchari lamdam asige oiriba fiba masda government official sing masagi thabaktagi hendoktuna awaba taraba mioi sing asigi damak hotnariba si pukning thaugat ningai ne Mamangda IDP singi thabak thauram sing amadi fan thadokpa yauna nungai taba kaya leiramba adu leitanaba kanna hotnari IDP sing masagi yumda hanjin handuna mahushagi fibamda akiba amatta leitana leihannaba leingak na hotnari leingak ki makhada leiriba machinery singda mathau taba tengbang chapchana pigani haina Chief Secretary asina phongdokhi ngasigi thauram adu da Imphal East ki DC Kumanthem Daina Commissioner Home and Ashok Kumar, Handloom and Textiles ki Director Lamli Kamai, Weaver Service Center Porompat ki Deputy Director Priyadarshini Daripa, Power Grid Regional Headquarters Silong ki Chief General Manager, Imphal East ki Senior SP Yauna, Miyoi Kayana Saruk Yaki.
Most of all to all the people who are staying away from their homes, I really admire your courage and your resilience in bearing so far and bearing it so bravely. Moving on from here on, we have seen that in the past, sometimes the funds have been delayed, sometimes the help has not been very forthcoming. I assure you and I promise you that henceforth, anything which is meant for you will reach you immediately. There will be no lag in that. And all of you, I hope that very soon you will have the joy of going back to your homes, having a safer life, living without fear, living without any kind of dependence on anybody. And I'm sure that the entire machinery will continue to work together.